Hello, it's Christian with Mate. Lutron's Caseta is one of our favorite ways to add lights, ceiling fans, and shades to your HomeKit home. Let's add our new Caseta system to HomeKit. Open the Lutron Caseta app. Select the gear in the top left corner. Next, select HomeKit and Siri. HomeKit will automatically discover your Lutron system. If you have multiple HomeKit homes, select the one you want to add Caseta to. Use your phone's camera to enter the HomeKit setup code found on the bottom of the Smart Bridge. Once the bridge has been added, you may be asked if you want to use the Lutron names or HomeKit names. We chose to use the Lutron names. Next, select Save in the top right corner. Our Caseta light has been added to our HomeKit home and can be used in HomeKit scenes and controlled with Siri. Thanks, and have a great day. Check out the plus sign in the Mate app for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level.